Tired of your beautiful Wix website being buried on page 10 of Google? Let's unlock the secrets to Wix SEO and get your site ranking higher in just a minute and a half. First, ditch the guesswork and embrace keyword research. Think about what your ideal customer types into Google to find you. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or even Wix's built-in SEO Wiz to discover relevant keywords with decent search volume. Now, let's optimize your on-page elements. Your page title is crucial. It's the first thing people see in search results. Keep it concise, under 60 characters, and include your primary keyword. Next, craft a compelling meta description, a brief summary of your page that entices users to click. Aim for under 160 characters and include a call to action. You'll find these settings in your Wix page settings. Structure your content with headings. Use only one H1 tag per page, naturally incorporating your main keyword. Break up large blocks of text with H2 and H3 tags, using secondary keywords to guide search engines. Don't forget to optimize your image alt text. This is the description of your image that helps search engines understand what it's about. Be descriptive and include relevant keywords. Finally, let's talk about link building. This is where you get other websites to link back to yours. Focus on earning high-quality backlinks from reputable sites in your industry. You can achieve this by creating valuable content that others will want to share and link to. Consider guest blogging on other websites in your niche, providing valuable content with a link back to your site. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to mastering Wix SEO and driving more organic traffic to your website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks.